video.
Yeah. What happened to your face? Be, let me see your lipstick, be. Oh no. You're playing with my lipstick again. What did you say? You are so what?
I'm proud of you.
What?
I was buying Crocs.
You are what? You are pretty? You are so beautiful?
Yeah.
Well, let me see your face, babe. Wow. Be here. Bear, face the camera. Be, wow. Be, let me see your lipstick. Agugoy. Agoy, nang hilabot na po sa akong lipstick sa kwarto. Be, let me erase the lipstick, be.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. I want the Hershey. Where's my...
Okay, where's the wipes? Get the wipes there, be. Ask Mamila for the wipes.
Oh, what's this?
It's a ribbon. Do not touch that one.
Ribbon for me?
No, that's for our balloons.
Balloons for me?
Yeah?
I want blue one.
You want the blue one? Okay, wear your Crocs now. Wear your sandals, be.
I was buying Crocs.
Be, let me see your face, lagi, be. What happened to your lips?
It's red.
It's red. Agoy ang lipstick. Oh.
Oh, what happened?
What happened to this one?
Mine. Your lipstick.
Why did you play again with my makeup?
Nothing.
Why?
Not the lips.
Hmm?
Not the makeup. Only your lipstick.
Ah, only my lipstick. Okay. Why did you play with my lipstick again? Huh? Look at your face, oh. Agagay.
I wish like a clown.
You look pretty?
Yeah.
Agoy, you look pretty on that lipstick. Agoy. Wait. Oh, tell everybody how pretty you are. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Baby Riley.
Baby Riley. And then, explain, be. What did you do, be, on your lips, be? Explain, tell them. You put what?
My baby titty.
What did you put in your lips? What did you put on your lips, the eye?
My teeth is brown. Look at my teeth. It's just hard.
Sus ang nawong. Sige na, good night. Say good night, be. Say good night.
Good night.
Let's clean up, be. Let's clean your face.
I'm covering lipstick. Look at this.
No.